today's video, I'm gonna eat spaghetti and burger later because the burger is too hot because I microwave it. I love it. I love spaghetti. What the heck? Why is this so freaking good? So good. So let's finish, guys. This is the burger. Oh, so hot. Oh my god. The cheese is melting. No cheese, bullet. So good, my god. By the way, guys, tomorrow is my mom's birthday. I'm gonna surprise her by giving a gift. It's already finished, so I'm gonna eat the burger. It's so good. It's still hot, right? I'm helping it not to burn. It's burning my hands. No, it's good.